Hi, I'm Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So as I was getting ready to use the Flowers of Friendship bundle, and with that comes the Flowers and Leaves punch, I thought I would share with you a little tip for using the punch. So I'm going to start with a piece of basic white and slide it in here and punch out the whole thing, because the project I'm about to work on needs all of those pieces punched. Then I'm going to bring in my D block and flip this over so that it's opposite of the way that I punched it. And then let's adhere. I want to hold this in place, and I'm going to pop my stamps in behind it, okay, so that they're right where those images are. And then let's just keep right on holding. And once you've got all of these in place, you get the idea. You can stamp these all at one time and then punch them all at one time. So that's my one simple trick for using the Flowers and Leaves punch. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. And if you're in the US, please do some of your Stampin' Up! Shopping in my store. Have a great day. Bye.